It is reassuring to see that people are still producing a quality product, but I'm afraid to say it could possibly be a dying trade.
What you're getting globally across the tea industry is a move away from hand-picked tea. We are moving more and more towards an industry where it's mechanized plucking, it's mechanized production, and you're having a beverage that has no flavor, that has no taste, that has no aroma. That for me is tea without soul. The large multinationals are moving away from countries like this because the price is too high, but look at quality to price.
Ceylon tea gets lost in transition. It's never pure, and I think for someone like PMD to come out here, buy the leaf, put it in a bag and sell it in the UK, I think is so important.
I have a lot of optimism for where we can take this industry, and I think now this is where you'll see the biggest amount of disruption and change from the traditional model, the way that we've always told it's been done.